Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. In today's video I am customizing my phone and we're going to customize it together. I know that quite a few of you enjoy watching what's on my phone videos and customization videos, so that's what I'm going to do today, customizing my phone. If you want, you can customize your phone now with me. So this is going to be like a phone customization date for all of us. So I'm freshening up my phone, you will do it with me. It's going to be so much fun. If you're new to my channel, the phone that I have is the Samsung S10 Plus. I've had this phone I think since 2019, if I'm not mistaken. Still works perfectly fine, so I'm not switching it anytime soon. So I will now record the screen of my phone so you can see what I am doing exactly. The app that I use in order to record my phone screen is called AZ Screen Recorder. I have used this app for years now. And let's begin. So as you can tell, as I unlock my phone, I have this picture of an airplane's window. And now the real mess is here. As you can see, I have no widgets, only one, which is a picture of some decor in my living room. And then as I slide right, I have one empty widget and two other widgets that are still here that I had chosen the previous time that I customized my phone. The aesthetic the last time was brown beige, so that's what you see here, the remaining parts of that customization. But everything is okay. We're going to make my phone beautiful and aesthetic now. So I'm going straight away to Pinterest. And the theme that I want to go for is neutral. So I had already browsed before some neutral widgets and neutral widgets ideas in Pinterest. So that's what I'm going to search for now. So right now I typed neutral aesthetic. So I will have a look around the pictures here. I definitely want to have some flowers in my homepage. Maybe some daisies, because spring is right around the corner, you know, at the end of March, but still, that is pretty soon. Look how beautiful these pictures are. Like, for example, here, book and those dry flowers and a candle, gorgeous. This teacup with some daisies in it, amazing. Yeah, but the whole vibe that I'm going for today is neutral. So I'm thinking maybe some pictures of the sky and the sea, some flowers, maybe also some type of quote. That would be nice as well. So I will have a look around Pinterest and then we're going to start the customization process. So that is a perfect time for you now to look for pictures on Pinterest. I mean, if you're using your phone to watch this video, you probably can't do it with me. But you can maybe pop this video in the laptop or your TV if that's something that you can do. And we can now search for cute pictures on Pinterest together. Alright, so I found all the pictures that I want to use. So first things first, I'm going to change my homepage wallpaper and my screen lock wallpaper. Okay, so I decided to use this picture as my lock screen, which is a picture of the beach, obviously. It looks very beautiful and it has this neutral vibe and tone to it, so that's what I chose. And then for my home screen's wallpaper, I chose this wallpaper because it is neutral toned, very simple, and I didn't want something that would be very busy looking, if you know what I mean, because I'm going to also have widgets, so I wanted something simple. Alright, the lock screen is set, as well as the homepage wallpaper, but it still doesn't look cute because of this widget, so we're going to fix that right away. First things first, I will start with this widget that I have an old photo in. I will change it. Okay, these are all the pictures that I have downloaded so far. I don't know if I will download any more or if these are going to be okay, but I want to start with some daisies. But I thought that the picture was pretty, so I chose this. Let's change the second widget now. I need something simple and small for this widget, so maybe I will choose curtains and the window. I might end up switching some widgets up, but for now I'm just leaving it like that. So next widget. What do we think about that so far. I chose these dried flowers with the brown neutral background, and let's see what I will put in this one. Okay, I chose this page of a book. I think it's a page of a book that says the warmest light is your body. Okay, so let's slide to the right and see what I can do with this page. I don't know if I'm crazy about my homepage. Still, I will see. I will also try maybe to change the icons because I think that they don't really go. I'm not sure. We will see. But yeah, let's change the second homepage now. Okay, we have more daisies for spring, as you can see. Okay, this is what I ended up with, as you can tell. I'm not sure if I'm really vibing with all the pictures. I don't know if they go all together, if they tie all together nicely. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Yeah, we'll see if I will leave the widgets like this, but I need to do something about the icons. I mean, the icons will stay looking the way they are, but just the background of them, they have that wooden circle around them, and down here at the bottom they're all like wooden looking, so would like to change that. So we'll go to themes, icons, and I will go to top free ones, and let's see what we have here. I would like something simple, or maybe something white. Okay, I will try the white one to see how it looks. This is how the icons look with the white style. I don't really like it. No, I think it doesn't really go. We will change it. I will go with the really simple one that they have up here. But is it simple, or is it going to be like black? Oh my god, it is black. Let's try this one. Blackest OS. What is that? Is it going to be black again? Okay. Why am I choosing the black icons? What is up? Would these look good? They look neutral tone, brownish. Okay, I think these go better. They look better. But I'm not sure if I am crazy about my widgets. I'm not really sure about this one, the window one with the curtain, and I'm not really sure also about the page down here, the warmest light is your body. I love the phrase, but I don't know, I think it looks kind of off. And I'm also not sure about the daisy one here. This took way longer than I thought. My eyes hurt because I also wear contact lenses, and I thought that I had browsed pictures before and I was kind of sure about where I was going. But guys, I turned off the camera. I sat here and I was searching for Pinterest like a maniac in order to find pictures that just looked good. But I think that I finished customizing my phone. I think it looks pretty good. So in my homepage, as you can tell, I put this long widget on top. First of all, I searched long widgets. I typed neutral long widgets, something like this, and long widgets finally appeared because I was trying to fit regular photos up there and they didn't look very good. I don't know. Maybe it was just my imagination, but at the top I put some books because I love reading books and I love the whole book aesthetic. I feel like the only picture that I put in the beginning and I kept is that picture of some dried flowers, as you can see. Then I chose another picture of a white rose that a woman is holding in front of a window, so we kept the window vibe with the curtains and the sun coming in, we kept that. Then I chose a picture again with a book and a cup of coffee and a dry rose at the back, I think it's a rose, and maybe some gold jewelry, a necklace and earrings. What am I even doing? You cannot even see my face. Okay, I need to pull myself together because seriously, you don't even know how long I was trying to find these pictures. Then I chose the picture that says the only limit is your imagination. I wanted to have this quote in my homepage. It's very inspiring. And then as we slide to the right, I also kept the picture of the tote bag and the roses. Are these roses? Maybe not. I kept the picture of the bag, the tote bag and the flowers because I thought that it was pretty and spring is coming, so I wanted flowers, flowers, flowers. Below that, as you can tell, more flowers, dried flowers, a pearl necklace and a book. Definitely my vibe. I have a similar necklace. I also kept the little hearts. Then I chose another picture below the hearts with a finished cup of coffee and a book and a notebook. I love this almost dark academia vibe, I would say, even though I kept it pretty light at the majority of the pictures. I sprinkled a little bit of a darker note in here. And again, by searching long widgets, I found these butterflies that are the perfect representation of spring. So this is what I ended up with. What do we think? I think that it turned out good. At the beginning I was a bit worried. I thought that it would look weird and not pretty, but I think that I did an okay job. I know that a lot of people don't choose that many widgets and they prefer to have more icons on their home pages, but I like widgets and I choose pictures that make me feel nice and they are aesthetic in my eyes and they are pretty. So this is what I ended up with. Lock screen, beautiful. We open the phone, beautiful. We slide to the right, gorgeous. And I think that would be all for today's video. What did you think? Did you like this style of video that I'm customizing my phone with you together and not just showing my phone? Because I have done more of these, but I'm only showing my phone. I'm only filming my phone and my hands on the table. I will have a playlist with all of my phone customization videos and what's on my phone videos linked down below. But did you like this style of video? Did you like this video in general? If you did, let me know so I can film more of these. Maybe we can start doing these monthly or every other month, and each month or every other month it's going to be a different aesthetic, a different vibe. What do you think? But I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!